Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. What do Russell Brunson, Grant Cardone, Tony Robbins, and McDonald's all have in common? Well, they employ a very simple marketing strategy at the time of the order that makes them more money even when they are offering a very low-priced product. And what that is, it's called an order bump. And I'm going to start first with an example from McDonald's. How many of you have gone through McDonald's, and this is back in the day, when you've gone through McDonald's and you were placing your order, and right after you made your order for your value meal, the clerk would say to you, would you like to supersize your order for 99 cents? And a lot of times, if you're hungry or thirsty, you'll say, yeah, sure, I'll spend the extra buck to get more fries and a drink. Getting a bigger size fry and drink, sure, no problem. What Grant and Russell and Tony have been doing, if you've ever been following them, when they offer any type of free book, okay, Grant Cardone, you see him doing this a lot, and Tony was doing this as well. They would promote their books, and what they would do is they would give you the book for free, but you would just have to pay shipping and handling. So you pay like, $5, $6 to get the book. But then what they did is right below the order form, they would have what's called an offer bump. And in there, they would put another offer of a premium product that they had. So Tony Robbins, I think he did one with his last book with Money Master the Game. He had one, I think, where he had, I believe it was to his personal power program, where he offered it at a real substantial discount, like maybe 30, 40 bucks. I noticed that Grant Cardone, he would offer one of his products like a recording from his last 10X Growth Conference, and he would put it at a substantial discount. Russell did the same thing as well, where he offered another premium product of his and put it at a discount. The psychology behind this is that if you've got people in the buying state and they're excited to buy, and especially if they know, like, and trust you, and they know that you're bringing value with your products, you can go in, they're going to more than likely buy again from you right off the bat. So they're already in this peak state of excitement. They're going to want to buy again. And it's because people buy on emotion first and then justify later with logic. And that's why upsells and downsells, but then now this order bump is so effective. Okay, because a lot of times people are getting conditioned not to look at the upsells and downsells. But that order bump that's right there on the order form, that makes them more curious. And if they've been kind of tracking a product for a while, they'll be more likely to buy if it's offered at a discount. Now, what does this mean for you as the affiliate marketer who's just getting started? Can you use order bumps? Absolutely. You could offer an order bump, and one of the easiest ways to do it is if you've got the master resale rights to a particular product that that some marketers offer. So, for example, I know there's a lot of marketers out there who sell resale rights on certain products, like video courses or audio courses, or they do a bundle with a ebook and video and audio, and then they just tell you, when you look at the master resale rights, that you cannot sell the resale rights. So when you're going through that master resale rights, find out sometimes they have restrictions as to how much you can sell the product for. You can't sell it too low, or they'll say you can't sell it on a dime sale. But you can offer it, and they'll have like rules. Like maybe you can offer it as a bonus, or how much you can offer it as an upsell, downsell, or an order bump. So that is another way you can add more money to your bottom line, because it doesn't take much to produce to use that product, okay? And what that does, it's going to increase your profitability. So if you're doing ads, excuse me, if you're doing ads and you are, and the purpose of the ad is to scale your business and to spend more on ads. So if you're doing an ad to get more offers, then what you want to do is have that order bump, because that's going to give you more profitability. So there you have it, my friends. I hope you found this video valuable today. If you did, leave a comment and share. And if you're not on my newsletter, go to workwithdrlisathompson.com. Give me your best email address, and I will send you updates to get my most latest tips, strategies, and tips to help you build a full-time income while only working part-time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.